Good morning. Hope everybody's doing good. It's been an early morning, but hey, construction going on out here, whatever. We live right along an interstate, so yeah, get to hear all the sounds. So anyway, today is just an unpacking video, or unboxing, not unpacking, unboxing of some equipment that I've been waiting on to be able to afford to get, which no, none of it's real expensive, but you know what? We're all on a budget right now. So we'll just get right into the unboxing. Unboxing my Amazon order from yesterday. And it should have my tripod in it. I'm excited because I've been using just like a little stand one that I actually got from Shine, which has been working. It's been working. And you know, you just use what you got and do what you can with what you got. Yay. Oh yeah, I have more of my prebiotic fiber boost. So let's see. Does have a nice bag. I don't need anything fancy. Excuse me, it's still early. Haven't been, I mean, I've been up for a while. I've been up for over 2 hours, but oh, this looks nice. It's supposed to get up to like 53 inches. So we'll see. That's not 53 inches. I'm gonna have to look at the description again because it said 53 inches. Unless I'm doing something wrong. This isn't 53 inches. Okay, I discovered the issue. Like I said, it's still early, people. So, I get to looking. Whoa! About spilled my coffee. The little clamps on the bottom. So yes, we are in business. Yay! Yay, yay. Yes. Yay. And also my new camera. So now I'll be able to use my camera, which I could have with my other stand, but I haven't really looked, I haven't unboxed it, so let's see. I got all the cords. It even has a remote. Cords. Lulu. Ooh, what she's doing. Be right back. Well, the horses got out, so that was the deal. So anyway, that's all taken care of now. So anyway, I'm excited about using the camera. Don't have a lick of anything, of any idea of what I'm doing, but I'll figure it out. I'm a person that you just got to get into it to make a lot of mistakes and figure it out. And I don't see an instruction manual. I'm old school. I'm not old, but I'm older. So I don't know if there's no instruction manual, or I don't remember if I have opened this just to look at it and maybe took the instruction manual out and then just closed the box up thinking, okay, I'll read it. I don't know. But I know anymore you can't go online and get instruction manuals or whatever. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Lucky day. I found it. It was in my work bag for me to educate myself on, get read up on, and never had time to do it. So I went and looked in my bag, and yes, it was still there. So wish me luck. And now I can begin taping some more with better footage to complete this wall. So this is a picture that was taken from my last video from rearranging my furniture. So be on the outlook for my faux brick wall fireplace installation. So I'm looking forward to that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend.